rubber sniper. This isn't the main. I've flown it a bunch of times, but I got nobody to video it, so let's try her out.
I totally lost it.
Check out the vertical of this thing.
Yeah, the problem is I can't see it.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of hoping.
That's it. Glide around like a kite for a while. No throttle.
I can't see it on the screen at all.
You'll find it. My rudder will hold a knife there, just almost. I don't have a lot of rudder throw on it. My beeper. Oh, Stay on the runway. If I can bring it back. All right, everyone. That was the about 5th or 6th flight I had on the Sniper. You can see I got some repair damage on it. It's bad flying. I tried to take it off too early once and flipped it over and broke the wing, but I fixed it. We got about a 15-mile-an-hour headwind, so which is nice. It comes in nice and easy, but that's the Sniper. Hope you guys enjoyed it.